Live Lingua Spanish episode 24. Ask, how long have you lived in? If you want to find out how long somebody's been living somewhere, in Spanish it's actually pretty easy. You just have to add the phrase, Cuanto tiempo ha vivido en, and then put the location you're asking about at the end of it. Again, it's Cuanto tiempo ha vivido en. This is a great way to find out how reliable the information they are providing you is. If you meet somebody on the street and you want to ask them for directions, it might be a good idea to know whether they're a local or if they're just visiting the town like yourself. So you can use this question. In these exercises, we're going to give you a location, and all you have to do is repeat it out loud by adding the words Cuanto tiempo ha vivido en to the beginning of each sentence. Here's some examples. Puebla. ¿Cuánto tiempo ha vivido en Puebla? México. ¿Cuánto tiempo ha vivido en México? It's that simple. Let's get started. Empecemos.
Cancún,
Córdoba,
Buenos Aires,
Puerto Vallarta,
Chiapas,
Costa Rica,
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.